We'll guide you through how to change the background in CapCut using the most current methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project. Once you're in your workspace, go ahead and import the video clip where you'd like to change the background. Drag this clip onto your timeline. Now, to remove the existing background, click on the clip in the timeline and go to the top menu. Here, you'll see a Remove Background option. Click on it, and CapCut will automatically detect and remove the background from your video. This process uses AI to identify the subject and separate it from the background. Next, to add a new background, you need to import the image or video you want to use as your new background. Once imported, drag the new background onto the timeline, placing it on a separate track beneath your original video clip. Adjust the length of the background clip to match your main video clip to ensure a seamless transition. If needed, you can resize or reposition the background by clicking on it and using the transform tools available in CapCut. This allows you to fit the background perfectly with your video. Also, make sure to check the edges of your subject to ensure that the background removal looks clean. You can adjust the feathering or edge refinement settings in the cutout options for a smoother result. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can go ahead and export your video with the new background by clicking on the Export button at the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and format, then click Export to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background in CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.